your home. And this is how you can make it, irrespective of what you have. I'm going to show you what I use in my kitchen. Just follow the video, even if you post this video, provided you have the techniques. So I always do juicing. I do my own juicing, locally made with the ingredients we use in the kitchen. Like the way I showed you this one, I used completely. I used completely the things you have in your kitchen. So this is what I do. This one you can take it as coffee, you can take it as juice, you can take it, but it's good to take it in the morning. But meanwhile, I'm making my porridge. I'll shock you that my today's meal is not more than $5. So let's start with the juicing. Juicing, I make my own healthy juice from home. I hardly 99.9%, I don't buy soft drinks. So I'd already put here. So what I put here, what I'm going to start with, I like using this juicer. I love it. I have a big one, but I love this one. So this one, I'm going to blend. What I'll put first, this is lemon. Slices, I put 3 lemons. Then I also put cinnamon. And you'll get shocked that these are all, you see, everything is here. This is what we use in the kitchen. And this is what you can do to even make your health better. So cinnamon, then I'm going also these cloves. Plus, this is orange. Orange, I'm putting it there for flavor. Then I'm putting there apple for also, it adds also, and also it puts some sweetness, because I'm not going to put any juice, any sugars. Then, what is this? Then I'm putting ginger. Ginger is the main ingredient, by the way. Then I'm putting turmeric powder. So let's juice together. Don't forget, I'm also cooking. I'm showing you that we can make money at the comfort of our home. But the question is, how much money? How do we do it? We can do it. So I'm adding some water to make it, to ease my blending. Don't mind about. So I blend it until I feel it was the lemon, all those ingredients I put first. I'll put them and I blend until I feel they are very. Don't forget, I'm doing this. I'm doing this because I want you to know that you can make money in your kitchen if you're a housewife. But the way you make it is different. I'll be showing you that this juice is very healthy, and at the same time, it's cost effective. It will not take a lot of money. Just imagine at the comfort of your kitchen. And on top of that, you're not idle. Okay? You don't become idle. So now I'll put orange. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. Orange and ginger. I'll blend this. Tell me how you're going to fall sick with this beautiful, delicious, organic juice. No sugars added. The sugars we're using, if you want, you can add dates, you can add grapes. Yes, depending on the period. But this one, we have used less than $5, by the way, for this juice. Don't forget, there are some people who don't throw this. You can put it in the freezer and make a broth, especially like for ginger. Ginger, it will help you in cooking beef. If you're cooking beef, you're cooking chicken. I don't know whether you know that. So if you see now the juice, how it looks like, this is step 1. I've not added others. And if you see the ingredients which are there, they are all organic. So what is the essence of this video? The essence of this video is to tell you there is no excuse. Do I have time? I work a 9-hour job. Do I need to resign because I'm doing online online side hustle or online business? No, you don't need to resign. You can resign when you want. You feel okay, now it's okay, I can resign. But I don't think there is an excuse. In a minute, I'll be going to work. But if you know you're eating, if you know you're drinking, why are you not using what you're eating and drinking to make? My ginger, you can see my ginger is ready. It is well blended. So what I'll do, still, I do the same thing. I put it on the silver. I love the way. So look at it. If you have a big juicer, it's better because it will separate. It will not get, you will not get all this work. No, I'll be putting. So, can you make money while in the kitchen? Yes. This is it. This is now apple. I'm going to put it there. You can make money at the comfort of your home with less costs. And moreover, you find yourself also
give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good. His might has done, Lord, Lord, Lord. Every scar became a story, every battle became glory. Now I've come to testify. This is my testimony.